New brick,
It's a
yes.
little tighter.
Oh, it's a little tighter than the old one.
Yeah. Get my hammer out.
That was the side, I think that wasn't that wallowed out, the other side was.
Yeah. Okay.
I got that out.
I think you get close by here.
I just figured they were that thing together. They use like the same. It's cheap.
They just added a little extension.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which way?
Oh, it's got a little lip for the brick though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Engineer said, "Hey, we screwed up."
Probably the other one would have been fine if they would have just put nuts on them.
Yeah, yeah, it would right on the bottom.
I should put
Hold
that on there.
that up. When I put
I was
those
thinking I
things
should probably put that on the brick before I slide it in. I squeeze this in my way too.
Yeah, you're gonna need a-
one will be out.
Brick. Who would ever think? Ask 100 people.
Yeah.
Is there a brick in your washing
We
machine?
got a cool colored one. It's clay color.
That way so the bolts go through the thicker part. There we go.
Shut up, dog.
They're fed, they're walked. What the hell else do they want?
They gotta be played with.
Yeah, that's.
I thought that'd work in there. They're sliding in there with
those
it.
two off maybe a little. Just get a little bit.
It fits in there, but just I just thought it might be easier.
Yeah, you could put it on as assembly.
So the other bracket didn't have these little lips?
No, but it just has a straight piece that went across.
Imagine how many of these were
I
done.
gotta turn this bracket around. There we go.
Yeah, I probably use this brick on something else. I got another little cutout for it. Multi-use.
To think these are poured somewhere just for the washing machines. Who's got that business?
Brick guy.
Some mafia guys in Ohio. They're cement people.
Yeah. Put them on people's feet too.
Yeah, throw them in the river.
We're just gonna start this before putting a washer on there just to hold it in place for now.
They got like $80 for this kit too, I think.
What do they get for?
I think $80.
For a brick and a couple of nuts and bolts?
Yeah.
Yeah, I looked at it and I said this quality man, it's a car. But spend $80.
Well, it's poured just a certain way.
This
With
don't fit in there. Trying to hold the brick up.
You get that washer.
There, if I can get it if you can hold that brick in place. 'Cause that's where I was having problems trying to do it with one hand. Here we go.
you only got two hands? Oh, man.
There it is. I still got to put the nut or the washer on there, but I
Yeah.
thought to get one started anyway.
Sometimes you just need three hands. You people be looking at you funny though. It's good in here behind doors. Amazing.
I don't think we're lined up with a hole.
Yeah, that's a little tricky. There it goes. Alright.
That shit on. Put that one.
Jeez, they don't give you much. You need little Chinese fingers to get in there.
Yeah, I think you can take this off too.
Oh, forget
Well,
that.
that's all welded together though, all four of the legs on that is. Yeah, if you take that
Yeah,
off,
if you take all these off, 1, 2, 3, 4.
then you gotta pull the pulley and all that off.
Belt off and all.
Oh, the wheel and everything's got to come. That's torqued down, I'm sure, that thing.
Screw that.
There you go.
This is like how we used to do car repairs on the clock.
Yep.
You gotta sneak around everything.
Right size ledge here.
Got three
You
needs.
wonder sometimes how they.
No, 7, 16.
Okay.
And those are lock wash. Those are lock nuts on the other side, like the
I like squish nuts.
oh.
Squish nuts.
I wonder if it'd be easier to do it with it the other way, so
Yeah.
the brick would stay. Yeah, there you got it.
Flip it all back over and rest it on this thing.
Probably did it all the time would be would be because if I
Sometimes those they screw you up
I got the
instructions.
universal, that thing gotta be old. Sears is gonna go out of business. So
I'm going up there later today, maybe look around Sears, because that one's not closing by us.
It's still not closing.
No, it wasn't on the list.
Oh god.
you can tell mine have been around a while because they say they're forged in the
Yep.
USA.
Yeah, I got a couple
Or
like that.
they don't say that anymore.
Nope.
Sears don't have crafts.
You know, their tolerances on their new tools too are terrible as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn.
I didn't have that tight.
You buy like 3 wrenches and they all fit differently.
Oh, nice.
I was just telling Derwood, I'm reading on the internet this morning, Trump's chief, like, financial guy, this guy Mnuchin,
Oh yeah.
he's like a multi-billionaire himself. He used to be on Sears' board of directors in charge of the pension plan or something.
Yeah.
All these guys may get screwed in Sears.
Yeah.
Get no pensions.
I think a private equity firm owns them too, though. It seems like Toys R Us and any other company who goes under. They all get the money.
But when did they buy Kmart? That was like 10 years ago.
Oh, Kmart actually bought Sears.
Oh, bought Sears, really?
Yeah,
Oh, shoot.
Kmart went through bankruptcy years ago, and they came out of bankruptcy.
Good.
And right away, they bought Sears.
Sears.
I never could understand that. How
Kmart,
they
Yeah.
Kmart was a good store on that Kmart. When we had that nice Kmart,
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
then they would have bombed it for Lowe's.
That one on McGregor over there was a dive.
Yeah, it
That
was a
little,
dive.
the linoleum floors coming up.
Probably got water leaks and everything.
Yeah, where was our Kmart? We had a nice one over there by the mall.
Built a Lowe's.
By Lowe's, right. That Lowe's closed, that's right. They took that over.
Yeah.
Or was it the other way
I
around?
don't know. Why did I take that off when I got it? I'm screwing up your thing. Making it work longer.
Hey, Durwood's got 20 more stops after this.
Actually, I could probably.
Yeah, just wedge that thing up with something. I think that I could a little pry bar or something.
Yeah.
You have in a garage like a little Prior or a...
Funny.
Well, that's a good one right there. I'm still amazed the freaking brick is in there.
No, it's good to get something that other shit in there. Want to get that vacuum? Yeah, you get the concrete dust that'll get kicked around.
Is that right behind the door here?
Yeah, you can get one over there. You just need a hose hanging on that railing. We'll get the little one. Little one's out my door.
Oh, yeah, we got so much hoard in there. We collect everything. If people only knew behind these doors. Sunday night trash runs.
Yeah.
Hey, we get a lot of good stuff. And then sell it on the Craigslist.
Yeah, yeah. You see all kind. You find all kinds.
We get
of
a
stuff
lot
like
of
that
it.
in the
Especially here because there's rentals. And when they leave at the end of the month, they're not taking all that
Throw
stuff with.
everything away.
Yep.